And they buy car, no car to place to park.
Yeah, and they can arrive.
If they park down there, one time when I park the car down here, we come up here, we come back. The what is called the remnant of the longhouse already. There are few that one still left up there. Later you will see.
Kampung Gayu Trail, guys. Ya, Kampung Gayu Trail tak jauh. We are on the way to the waterfall. Sama guide kita. Billion.
This longhouse is oh my god, I think more than 200 years. Yeah, our generation all origin from here.
Apakah dengar? Wow.
So that's why I know that we celebrate this skull festival every 4 years one time. It's a very big festival. And the warrior we carry the skull from here down to my village, down to another village. The walking within 24 hours to reach back the center.
Feels real back.
Really?
Yeah, it's real. Plant. When the flower come if the flower come out, there will be no leaf. Yeah, only the flower. It could be big if the plant is big, then the flower will be bigger.
Which color is it?
White.
It could be white, and then it will what I call change the color into purples. Red purples, and then later when the flower being what I call due date coming in, rotten, then we expose the seed inside. It look like a cone. You know?
Kena tipu.
Another one, you look see that it's very long.
Limestone.
Berduri batang ini. Berduri batang.
Panggah. Muan Tabi Waterfall.
Ini gambar banyak kulit sebelumnya.
Ya.
Oh, sedikit. Buan. Itu dengan apa? Buan.
Bukan. Itu buat
Long. Buan lagi.
punah.
Apa itu? Kerak, tupai. Tupai nanti.
Okey. So kita mula tadi jam 2. Pukul 2 tadi. Oh, 3 jam santai-santai hiking ah. 3 jam lah. Relaxing. 2:15 just now. Now 5 o'clock. Betul lah. No overtime lah.